Hi guys, let's make these cute cacti decorations for Cinco de Mayo. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. The supplies you'll need are green paper, a paper roll, scissors, green marker, glue, some eyes, and a few pieces of colored paper. First, make the cactus by covering the paper roll with green paper. Next, draw and cut out 2 arms. Make 2 folds in the arms to attach to the body. Draw lines with the green marker for the ribs. Glue the arms to the body. Next, cut the edges to round the top of the cactus. Make the face by cutting out a mouth and glue it along with the eyes. Last but not least, added an accessory. For a girl, make a flower. For the male, make a mustache and a sombrero. And don't forget to decorate the hat. And these are the finished products. I hope you enjoyed this video and happy Cinco de Mayo.